Let's see how to fix, disabled as some form fields have errors in YouTube upload video. Everything is fine, but the publish button is not visible. Now save your video as a draft. Now go to the content. And edit the draft. Now you can publish the video. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.